Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So I am doing another slime dares video because you guys seem to like it and I really enjoy doing them. For the first dare, you should try dissolving borax in microwaved lotion. So I didn't really want to waste my precious lotion because I use it on the daily. So I'm just going to use this sunscreen slash lotion thing. It's like a sunscreen lotion. I added the remaining into this container and then I added a teaspoon of borax, mix it all up. And then I put in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And surprisingly, it actually got really liquidy, which is really interesting to me. So I started off with adding some glue and then try to make some slime with it. In the meantime, I wanted to chat with you guys because why not? I want to know, how are you guys doing? How is life? Are you guys out of school? Maybe you don't go to school anymore. Are you on your summer break? Are any of you guys graduating? If any of you guys are, congratulations. That is a big achievement. You should be proud of yourself. School is not easy. For me, I am doing well. I'm finally getting better. I got the rest of my wisdom teeth out last week. It sucked for the entire week, but I got it through. I can finally eat solid foods again, which I'm so happy about. I've been craving so many foods. Oh, I also want to tell you guys about my experience with IV sedation. So for my first time, I got general anesthesia. I was asleep, but for IV sedation, you're not asleep. I was awake, but I was not aware of what was going on. It almost felt like my mental state time traveled an hour later. It was so weird. And I just want to tell you guys that. That is all. Okay. My first thoughts on this is, well, it's overactivated, but it kind of feels really greasy and slippery, and that's probably because of the sunscreen. So here is the second try at this because, like I said earlier, I added way too much of the sunscreen lotion thing, sunscreen activator. Here is the final result. It's really nice and really glossy. I don't know if I would do this. I probably would just add lotion as an additional ingredient. I probably wouldn't use it as an activator because it's so much more work, but it was really interesting. It does give you a different texture than if you were to just make a basic slime. I really like it, and it works. Next dare is, can you drown your slime in lotion for 45 minutes? So this is kind of like on the same lines of the first dare. So I added a really sticky slime to the lotion, and keep in mind that there was borax dissolved in this. I'm just using the same one as the previous dare, and I was really curious about this, of what it would turn out to be. I actually let it sit for about an hour and a half instead of 45 minutes. After an hour and a half, it's clearly drenched in the sunscreen lotion. The results are quite peculiar, I would say. It was really stringy and it wouldn't stretch well, really messy. I did let it sit, let it flood out for a bit, and that's when I can stretch it, but not too much. It still returned to being stringy and clumpy. Moving on to the next dare, can you put nail polish remover in slime and then see if it takes off your nail polish? So I started off with adding my glue and then adding my nail polish remover in it, and then I just made slime like normal. let's watch me attempt at painting my own nails. I really suck at it. After it dried, I put this to the test and see if this would take off my nail polish, and it didn't, which I was kind of down about because I was hoping that it would. I was thinking maybe I didn't add enough nail polish remover, so I went ahead and added a lot more. I let it absorb it all. And that didn't help much either, so overall this was a fail. Next stare, make a slime with nail polish in it and then put nail polish remover. Would it remove some of the color? So this is similar to the previous stare, and I wanted to do it because it's on the same page. Using the same nail polish and the only nail polish I ever own in my entire house, added that into the glue, and I tried to quickly stir it because I was scared that it would dry up or something, or it would stain the bowl. After the slime is done, I added my nail polish remover. There was no immediate reaction whatsoever, so I let it sit there for about, I would say, 30 minutes. It absorbed some of the nail polish remover, but there wasn't a significant difference between the colors before and after. Last but not least, for the last stare, try using a beater to whip glue and activate it to see if it would make fluffy slime. And I really wanted to see if this would work, so I actually went out and bought a hand mixer or an electric beater. I don't know the exact terms, or whatever you want to call what this thing is. I feel like this would be a good, cheaper alternative to a mixer. Oh my god. You guys, I am so scared of it splattering everywhere. Oh my gosh. Surprisingly, the results are amazing. It's super thick. It's not super fluffy, but it's still pretty fluffy. But I was just surprised on how thick it got, and I didn't add any other ingredients like shaving foam or foaming soap. I love it, you guys. And that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave some dares down below for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!